In a large pot, I am cooking a medium onion in olive oil. Next, I'm going to chop up some fresh celery. I'm going to put that in with the onions and give it a quick stir. Now, with all of these ingredients, you can add as much or as little as you would like. Next, I'm going to add a small bag of carrot chips. They're already cut for me, so it makes it so much easier. I'm going to give it a quick stir. I set a few aside for some snacking. In my local grocery store in the deli section, I found these wonderful containers of rotisserie chicken already cut up and shredded for me. So all I have to do is pour them in the pot. I added 2 large containers of chicken broth. I usually do 1 low sodium and 1 regular. This chicken soup is so delicious. After I've added all of the chicken broth, I am going to give it another quick stir and reduce the heat to low to simmer. Last ingredient, a small bag of Spanish yellow rice. I'm just going to cut the end off and pour the whole pouch in. It really gives the soup a wonderful flavor. I'm going to put the lid on and let it simmer until the rice is tender. I sprinkle a little pepper and Parmesan cheese flakes on top, and I serve a fresh French baguette on the side. Dinner is served. Want to know what I'm going to be doing in my next video? Heck, I do too. Subscribe and find out. Thanks for watching.